Friday and welcome back, my friends, to another daily work from home job lead. If you are looking for something in the human resources field, so non-phone, dealing with employees so that you don't really have to deal with customers, this job lead is for you. We will not waste any time. Just know the links to everything are in the description box below if you want to get those applications in. But the big giant home improvement retailer, Lowe's Home Improvement, is hiring an HR advisor. Now, this is remote within the United States. Lowe's is able to offer employment for this position in the following states. There's a whole list of states here, so I will not read them all. It looks like it pretty much covers all of the United States. But they are looking for an HR or human resources advisor to be responsible for building, nurturing, and sustaining the strong partnerships with operations supervisors, site leadership, as well as managing the human resource functions for locations. You'll promote the value of human resource functions, focus on delivering business outcomes by building collaborative relationships across the organization. You'll develop plans and ensure the right talent is being selected to meet the business needs. So you will help in the hiring process. You'll also track performance metrics related to staffing strategies, recruitment, interviewing, and the selection process, and of course then the onboarding process for new hires. You'll provide consultation that intervenes as necessary to redirect efforts locally to ensure the alignment of the HR policies and procedures across Lowe's Home Improvement, and you'll collaborate with site leadership as necessary. Now, they are looking for someone who's a high school diploma, but no college degree is required. What they are looking for is experience. They're looking for someone who has 6 years or more experience in some kind of human resources field, someone who is either experienced with direct or indirect report responsibility, so you've managed a team of people before, and someone who has experience administering confidential staff information, such as working with people's personal files, employment compliance data, those sorts of things. Now, if you do have that experience, the pay range is always dependent on location and experience, but this pay goes anywhere from $66,400 a year all the way up to $110,700 a year. And I've said it before, they have a pay range that goes up to $110,000 a year. They have it in their budget to pay that much, so please make sure you are negotiating your salaries if you do get a job offer. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.